I'll just sit back here. Thank you very much. There she goes. There, she figured it out. That was a good puzzle, huh? That was a good puzzle. This way, baby. There you go. Come on, all the way to the house. You can do it. Come on. There you go. Come on, Aurora. There she did it. Well, come on. We're almost there. Almost there. Come on. It says, carry me. Carry me. I'm a little puppy. Aurora. Aurora, come on. Come on, baby. Good girl. Pet her, Robbie. There you go. There she did it. All right. Come on. Come on. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Come on, baby. Yeah.